why your perfect AI scripts is killing your sales, is killing your business, and how you can fix that out. Everyone in this world is using AI bots right now. They are using AI to do cold outreach. They are using AI to try to close that person in the chat itself, which is literally a bullshit idea. And afterwards, they are using AI bot to follow up with that person. And let me tell you a secret. Most of their AI bots messages are in the spam folder because people who are already at high stake, they are suffering from some problem which you can solve. But if you are using AI, most of them are already triggered. Just like me, I'm also triggered by many chat a lot. But what can we do with this? But still, there are a lot of people who can pay you the amount you really want, $5K, $10K, $20K for your services. But they set a biological filter with them. Anything which is reaching out to them, which is looking too perfect, they know this is written by the AI. And if you're trying to fake that conversation using the AI by making some glitches, grammatical mistakes, they still will understand that you are using AI rather than a genuine human conversation to interact with them. Ask this thing to yourself. Although AI can help you to reach out a lot of people at once, but do you want to work with a machine, or do you want to work and communicate with a person who listens to you rather than an AI who has a motive at the end of the call? Although you also have a motive to help that person out, same is go for the AI. But as a human, we are a social creature, and we tend to look out to another human who can listen to us, show some empathy, and connect with us. So by the end of this video, I'm going to show you why your AI polished approach scripts are not working right now, and what you need to do to humanize that conversation, still get a lot of leads, still get a lot of clients, and using AI in a right manner. So by the end of this video, you will be mastering the low energy, high status communication, in which you will be smelling, or you will be understanding their hesitation on the call itself, which these machines can never do. You are going to learn how to become the most trusted advisor in that conversation, how to become their consultant, a peer, rather than just a friend, or just an AI bot who is getting into the spam folder, or who is getting ignored by them. But you might think, Pranshu, AI is better, AI is faster, I can reach out to a lot of people using AI in this. Yes, you can do. But let me ask you one thing. Reaching out to more people is important to you, or reaching out to right people and to win them is a right motive for you? Obviously the second, right? So it doesn't matter how many people you are reaching out. If your conversion is zero, if your bank account still sits at $0, but if you're reaching out to limited number of people and still you are getting a lot of money and your bank account is still getting stacked, that's what you need to do. I'm not saying you can discard AI completely. No, AI can help you to improve your system, but it can't humanize the conversation. It can't do the work where a human needs to engage to grab that thing. Why you need to watch this video and implement this technique right now? It's 2026. The apocalypse of AI bot is there. Everyone is trying to use AI to get those conversations intact, but they are losing the human communication. And this is the perfect time to get 20x more sales in your business, because when you humanize the conversation, when you interact as a human with another person, they start reaching out to you, they start connecting with you, they start feeling an empathy and emotion with you, and that's where they start giving you a sale. They start enrolling in your mentorship programs, which AI can't do. And why I am the right person to teach you about this? Because I am in sales since last 6 years. I was dissecting the psychology, how human brain works, how human brain takes action, why a prospect needs to be logically and emotionally satisfied together, and a bunch of things I dissected in that part. And that's what I learned, that if you are using AI chatbot or those AI fancy scripts, you can come into that conversation, but you can never close those deals. Maybe there are some people who will be commenting that, Pranshu, I'm using AI script, I'm making $5K, $10K from you. You are fake. You are using that script shared by the people in this world who are already at the top 1%, or you are faking those conversations, you are faking the proof you are posting on social media. So don't do that bluff on my channel. Now coming to the exact problem statement, I will be teaching you how to humanize the conversation and get those deals without using AI chatbot in 4 segments. Thank you for being a part of this whole journey. If you really want to kick off your sales as well as business journey, and you are ready to take the next step to become a young millionaire or the first millionaire in your family, then subscribing will ensure you for your continuous learning and the right strategies, practical tips, which will eventually kick off your business. So join us, a community of like-minded peoples, as well as the folks who are nailing their journey. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on all notifications. Let me know what is the biggest challenge you are facing in your sales journey in the comment section right now. So before starting the segment 1, I want to ask one question. We all wear watch, just like I'm also wearing a watch. Why people are not purchasing that much watches produced in mass by the machines, but the watches made by the people through their hands? And why they are the premium watches? Why they are costing a lot? There are still people who are wearing 8 crore, 10 crore, 90 crore watches who are just made by hand, not by the machines, because it humanizes the touch. And whenever we feel this touch, we tend to have empathy with the things we are wearing, just like this watch. This watch I purchased in one of my rare moments, and this is something close to me. It's been 3 years I'm wearing this watch. This means a lot to me. Same goes with the sales conversation. Use AI in that sales conversation. AI never stumbles. AI never stops. AI reads its script and they don't make blah in that conversation. And that's where people think that they are conversing with a recording. So if you make some if you take some pauses in that conversation, it will make the CEO trust you more, and they will understand that they are talking with a human who is is trying to understand their problem rather than just a AI who is doing the conversation using a script and trying to grab that deal. So this is what is required to get the conversation going and crack the deal. Second segment is low energy. In current world, if you know that whenever you are having a conversation with have a higher authority, they are not the loudest person in the room. Most of the time, they are even the calmest and the low voice people in the room because they understand how power dynamics work. If you are trying to be loud, you are yelling at someone. You are not listening to someone and responding. You are reacting to every people's word, and that's why you are shouting to everyone. That's why you are the loudest person in the room. So when you start any conversation, start with some low voice, have a genuine empathy, and whenever your prospect is sharing something detailed, just like in one of my discovery calls, our prospect was sharing he want to gift a home to his mother which costs around $1 million, and I asked why he needs to do that because he said he lost a lot of things in his life, family and finances, a bunch of things, and currently Hamal lives in somewhere on the rent, not at her own house, and that moment was shattered that person. So in that conversation, I was taking pause, I was showing empathy, I was asking how does it affects you that much. This states that I am really concerned about that person, which AI can never do. Before jumping to the segment 3, I want to share one more part with you. Whenever you are having a conversation or a discovery call with a prospect, don't say directly we are selling this services, this is going to help you out in such manner. Start the conversation with a low tone and say, I'm not sure whether this correctly fits for you or not. Let's evaluate what is the exact problem you are facing and how should I can help you. What you are doing, you are not imposing something on that prospect. You are not saying that this is the perfect thing you need to purchase right now to get rid of XYZ thing. We need to evaluate together to find out whether the problems you are facing in your life can be solved through this product. And what happens in this manner, that this shows that you are enlightened in your industry. You are here to diagnose the problem of the prospect rather than pitching the thing, and that's where magic starts happening.
Welcome, future sales master. Imagine you are waking every day knowing that you have the skill set to close any deal as well as the mindset to achieve the financial freedom. If you really want to become a sales expert, you need to hit the subscribe button, join the community of like-minded achievers so you can be pushed to your true potential and you can literally achieve the financial freedom in your life. So hit the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. Coming back to the video.
Now coming to the segment 3, which is reading the invisible. Whenever you are having a conversation, if you ever had any conversation with any human, which we obviously did, you can simply understand when someone is tired, when someone is concerned, they take a sigh pause, just like, come on. Just like that, and this shows they are literally concerned, they are literally tired, or they want to get rid of something. And when you start naming that emotion, just like sounds like you are a little bit frustrated or tired at that moment, what exactly you are thinking in your mind? When you ask this question, it will make the prospect feel heard, and when a prospect feel heard, sales is already closed. When you do this, they will feel heard, which AI can't never do. They can't never understand this invisible pauses in between, invisible sighs in between, and that's where you start connecting with that human. And trust me, now when I connect on a discovery call, I'm not saying just that every discovery call was closed in that moment, but in most of my discovery calls, I am having a one-to-one face-off with my prospect. Rather than showcasing a lot of PPTs, I usually have a conversation with them, and when they say something crucial problem about themselves, I lean in, I listen to them, I ask repetitive questions why it matters to them and what is the severity, something like that, to make them understand that I am listening to them and I am literally concerned to their problem which needs to be sorted. And that's how you crack this in 90% of the scenarios. Now coming to the final segment, which is a mindset shift you need to make. When you started any conversation with a bot script, when you started any conversation with the bot message, it completely shows that you are using some automated responses or automated cold outreach which already integrated that conversation. Try to understand, I'm a person who is helping out people in facing and personal branding, okay? And when I shot that message to someone that using an AI chatbot, 6 to 7 liner, which is a perfect message with no grammatical mistakes, and in second scenario, I checked through that profile, I understand that person is not getting that much engagement, and that prospect had some imposter syndrome earlier which he battled out in that journey, and I specifically messaged that John, I'm glad that you went through that imposter syndrome and now you are a completely different person who is inspiring a lot of people. Which scenario will be making a genuine conversation and make the conversation move ahead? Obviously the second one, because I took a moment, I understand what is happening with that person and I started a conversation in that fashion. So don't use AI chat script. I will be giving you 3 to 4 openers you can use in your cold outreach, as well as I will be giving you some scripts you can tune according to the prospect you are interacting, so you can have better conversions. So hope you understand the segment 4. But before moving to the last part of this video, which is literally important, I want you to subscribe this channel, like this video, and let me know when you are dealing constantly with the prospect, what's the one thing is constantly making you frustrated, or think about that this is where I'm lacking, so I can create a dedicated video for you. Yeah, every one of you who is watching this video really matters to me, and I definitely take out my time to resolve your query, to make a dedicated video about that, so another person also can be sorted out with your question, with your query, using my expertise. So comment your problem. What is the most frustrating problem you are facing when you are in sales or in any business you are doing going through online? Comment down right away. Now coming to the last part of this video, which is,
Hey, quick pause. If this value resonates with you and you are eager to learn the secrets of sales success and business success, subscribing this channel will ensure you never miss out the strategies to change your life, to change the path of your business. Join the community of go-getters, transform your life, subscribe to my channel and turn on all notifications so you can achieve the sales transformation as well as the business transformation.
now coming to the high status conclusion, right? These AI bot and everything is coming for the average sales people who are just following some script, who are just following some mechanism created by some big gurus online, and they are not getting any results. Those will be super early replaced by such AI bots, because still they are not producing so much results on the table which AI can easily do. But the people who can look into the eye of an prospect, lean in and understand what are the exact problems that prospect is facing and how they can humanize that conversation, how they can help out that person and prepare a roadmap for them to navigate. That's how we are going to rid from your XYZ pain, and that's how we are going to transform you in that person. These are the people who will make enormous sales throughout the life, no matter how many AI or any other future technology is coming. So if you are based in any part of the world and dealing with the high ticket prospect, and if you are concerned about your tonality, how you are interacting with the people, about these AI robots and every other stuff, and if you still really want to make a huge impact in your journey and want to become incredibly successful in sales and personal branding, you need to do one thing. Don't wait until everything is replaced by the algorithm. Just go for my bio, which is in the description as well as in the tag, campsite.bio/Pranshu. Book a one-to-one session with me. I will be diagnosing what exact problems you are facing regarding your tonality, how you are interacting with your prospect and every stuff. And I will lay out a map how you can get ahead and close 91% deal. Yeah, how you can hit your 91% closers mark within 45 days. And by the way, only 6 slots are available in the current month, so I will not be handling much query, and I am opening the discovery calls for next 1 month, for next 1 week at free of cost. So whatever the person who will be the one booking the session in upcoming 1 to 3 days, those sessions will be free and I will be laying out that map for you. So book that session right now by going on campsite.bio/Pranshu. And lastly, I want to share one more thing with you. In the current era when everyone is chasing AI scripts and others, most people are just constantly battling to get that prospect, to steal that prospect from someone else. What if I start showing you a process where the prospect already knows about you, they already went through your videos, and they will simply message you, I want to work with you, send me the invoice and I'm going to pay you right away. We just need to take their credit card and cash it and start the journey with you. It will be very great, right? So for this, if you really want those messages that I want to work with you, just send me the invoice and I will pay right away, you need to watch out this video right now. Watch out this video right now.